Close to 90% of world's shipbuilding today happens between China, Japan, and South Korea. This is a very fundamental depiction, a symbolic depiction of why United States very seriously needs to rehaul, revamp the manufacturing and supply chains rules all over the world. There is no country better suited for this than India today. This is not just trade, but it is also of eminent strategic importance for the United States to realize this. 81% of Pakistan's military hardware comes from China. The most important arm of the BRI initiative goes through China, goes through Pakistan. You cannot be having a very unstable nation like Pakistan, which is being armed by somebody who does not have the best interest for the United States. And while the deepening of trade with India, the relocation of manufacturing and supply chains will definitely benefit the United States from an economic perspective, it is also extremely important to look at this from a strategic perspective as well.
Mr. Atman Trivedi.